Hi students, today we are going to learn chapter 7 mensuration. Before moving to the exercise, now let us learn few formulas. Area of a triangle, half base into height, that is half BH. And if it is given as if A, B and C are the sides of a triangle, then the area of a triangle will be square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C of square units, where S is equal to the sides A plus B plus C divided by 2. Okay, and the third one is cuboid. Lateral surface area is otherwise called as curved surface area, and the formula is 2 into length plus breadth multiplied with height square units. And the total surface area is equal to 2 length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height square units. And the volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height cubic units. And then cube. So lateral surface area is equal to 4a square units, and the total surface area of a cube is 6a square units. And volume is equal to a cube cubic units. And then here we have Heron's formula. To find Heron's formula using when it is given us to find the area of a triangle when the sides are A, B and C. So take square root of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C multiplied. So to find the value of S, A plus B plus C, that is sides of all the three sides divided by 2. And when A is equal to B and B is equal to C, that is all the sides are equal, then the Heron's formula will be root 3 by 4 A square units when it is an equilateral triangle. Now let us move on to exercise 7.1. Question number 1. Using Heron's formula, find the area of a triangle whose sides are 10 cm, 24 cm and 26 cm. Now let us take the sides as A 10 cm and B 24 cm and C 26 cm. Before finding the area of a triangle, let us find the value of S. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So A 10 plus B 24 plus C 26 divided by 2. So 10 plus 24, 34, 34 plus 26, 60 divided by 2 is equal to 30. So therefore S is equal to 30. And to find the area of a triangle using Heron's formula, the square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, now find S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So S 30 minus A 10 centimeter, so 30 minus 10 20, and S minus B 30 minus 24 is 6, and S minus C 30 minus 26 4. Now substitute the values of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So S 30 and S minus A 26 and 20, S minus B 6 and S minus C 4. Now write the factors. So 30, 2 into 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Again here 20, 5 4s are 20, so split 4, 2 into 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. And 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Okay, now take 2. Here we have 3 into 5, 2. Okay, and again 2. Removing square, here multiply 2 are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 into 2, 60, 60 into 2, 120. So therefore, area of a triangle is equal to 120 square units. Question number 2. So the sides are 1.8 meter, 8 meter and 8.2 meter. So take A is equal to 1.8 and B is equal to 8 and C is equal to 8.2. So find the value of S, A plus B plus C divided by 2. So A 1.8 plus B 8 and C 8.2 divided by 2. Now add 1.8, 8 is a whole number, so 8.0 and 8.2, 8 plus 2, 10, remaining 1, 8 plus 8, 16, 17 and 18, 18.0, so take us 18. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9, so S is equal to 9. And then find S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So 9 minus A 1.8 and S minus B 9 minus 8, 9 minus C 8.2. Okay, 9 minus 1.8. So 9.0, 1.8. So subtract 7.2 and 9 minus 8, 1. 8 minus 9 minus 8.2. 0.8. And now to find the area of a triangle using Heron's formula, square root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is equal to 9 and S minus A 7.2, S minus B 1 and S minus C 0.8. So 7.2 into 1, 7.2 and multiply 7.2 with 0.8. 7.2, 0.8. So now first multiply without the decimal. So 8 2s are 16, 16 remaining 1, 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 1, 57. Okay, here 7.2 and 0.0. So 2 decimal places. So it is 5.76. Okay, now 9 as a square root value is 3 and 5.76 divided by 2 places. So divide by 100. Okay, to remove the decimal place, divide by 100. So 3 into 576 root is 24. So square root of 576 is 24 divided by root value of 100 is 10. So 4 3s are 12, remaining 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 divided by 10 is equal to here 7.2. 72 divided by 10 is equal to 7.2. So therefore, area of a triangle is equal to 7.2 square meter. Question number 2. The sides of a triangle ground are 22 meter, 120 meter and 122 meter. Find the area and cost of leveling the ground at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. So here, now take the sides of the triangle brown as A is equal to 22 and B is equal to 120 and C is equal to 122 meter. And to find the value of S, so add A plus B plus C divided by 2. So A is equal to 22 and B is equal to 120 and C is equal to 122 divided by 2. Now 120, 122 and 22. So 264 divided by 2. So 2 ones are, 2 threes are, 2 twos are. So therefore S is equal to 132. So find S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S minus A, 132 minus 22 and 132 minus 120 and 132 minus 122. Now subtract 132 minus 22, 110, okay, and 132 minus 120, okay, 12, and then 132 minus 122, it is 10. So now by using Heron's formula, let us find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is equal to S minus S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, S 132, S minus A 110, S minus B 12 and S minus C 10. So 3 fours are 12 into 11. Into 110, so 11 into 10 into 4 threes are 12, so 2 into 2 into 3 and 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. Here also you can this 4, so take us 2 into 11, 10, 2 5s are, so 2 into 5, 2 into 5, so 2 into 5, and again 1 2 into 3. 11 twos are 22, 22 twos are 44, 44 into 5, 5 fours are 20, remaining 2, 5 fours are 20 plus 2, 22 and into 2, 440 into 3. 0, 4 threes are 12, 1, 4 threes are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So area of a triangle is 1320 square meter. Okay, now here find the area of a triangle and cost of leveling the ground at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. Here we have 1320 square meter. So cost of leveling, the ground is equal to rupees 20 per meter square. So here we have 1320 square meter, 1320 square meter into 20. So now multiply 2 zeros, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 1 twos are 2. So 26,400 rupees. Therefore, cost of early. (1,320 square meter is equal to rupees 26,400 rupees. Question number 3. The perimeter of a triangular plot is 600 meter. If the sides are given in the ratio 5:12:13, and then find the area of the plot. Now, let the sides of the triangle be A, B and C. So it is given in ratio as 5x, 12x and 13x. So perimeter of a triangle is equal to 600 meter. Okay, now, so perimeter of a triangle 5x plus 12x plus 13x. So perimeter of a triangle is A plus B plus C is equal to 600. So add 5 plus 12, 17. 17 plus 13. So 30x is equal to 600. So x is equal to 600 divided by 30. 0, 0 cancel. 3 ones are, 3 twos are 0. So therefore x is equal to 20. Now substitute the value of x is equal to 20 in the sides of A, B and C. So 5x, 5 into 20, 5 twos are 10. So 100. Then 12x, 12 into 20, 12 twos are 24, 240 and 13 into x, 13. So 13 twos are 26, 260. Now find the value of s. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So A is equal to 100, B is equal to 240 and C is equal to 260. 100 plus 240 plus 260 divided by 2. So 400, 500 and 600. 600 divided by 2. So therefore S is equal to 300. S is equal to 300. And now to find the area of the plot using Heron's formula, area of a triangle is equal to square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now let us find S minus A. So S minus A is equal to 300 minus 100 is equal to 200, and S minus B is equal to 300 minus 240 is equal to 60, and S minus C is equal to 300 minus 260 is equal to 40. Okay, now it's equal to square root of S 300, S minus A 200 and S minus B 60, S minus C 40. 300, so 3 into 100, so 25 into 4, 5 5s are 25, 25 into 4, so split into 2 into 2. Okay, now 3 5s are 15, 15 into 5 and 2 2s are 4, 2 into 100, 2 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 and 60 now multiply 5 2s are 10, 10 5s are 50, 50 into 2 100, 100 into 2 200, 200 into 2 400, 400 into 3 1200 into 5 2s are 10. So if you into 10, so 1200 12,100 square meter. So area of the plot is equal to 12,000 square meter. Question number 4. Find the area of an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 180 centimeter. Perimeter of a triangle is equal to 180 centimeter. Perimeter of a triangle is 3a is equal to 180 and 3 goes for division. So therefore a is equal to 3 ones are 3 6 are. So 60. To find the area of an equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a square units. Root 3 by 4 a 60 into 60. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 0. So 2 1s are 1 2s are 2 5s are. So root 3 into 15 into 60. And in the next step, root 3 is equal to the value of root 3 1.732 into 15 into 6, 60. So 1.732 into 0 6 5s are 30, 0 3 1 6 7 8 9. So now multiply 9 2s are 18 1, 9 3s are 27, 28 remaining 2, 9 7s are 63, 64, 65, 9 and 6, 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 6 15. And here we have decimals 1 2 3. So 1 2 3. Okay. So area of the equilateral triangle is 1558.8 square meter. Question number 5. An advertisement board is in the form of an isosceles triangle with perimeter 36 meter and each of the equal sides are 13 meter. Find the cost of painting it at rupees 17 rupees 50 paise per square meter. So here the sides of a triangle is 13 meter. Perimeter of a triangle thirty-six meter. So hence it is an isosceles triangle. To find the third side, 36 minus 13 plus 13. So 36 minus 26 is equal to 10. Therefore, the length of the third side is equal to 10 meter. So now A is equal to 13 and B is equal to 13 and C is equal to 10. So to find S, A plus B plus C divided by 2. So 13 plus 13 plus 10 divided by 2 is equal to 36 divided by 2. So therefore S is equal to 18. and S minus C 18 minus 10. Okay, now 5, 8. So using Heron's formula to find area of a triangle, area of a triangle, square root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, so S is equal to 18, S minus A 5, S minus B 5 and S minus C 8. 6 3s are 18, so 3 into 2, 6, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, into 5, into 5 and 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so 3 into 2 into 5 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 into 2, 60. Area of a triangle is equal to 60 square meter. And here it is given as find the cost of painting at rupees 17 rupees 50 paise per square meter. So cost of painting is equal to 17 rupees 17 rupees 50 paise per square meter. We have 60 square meter. So 60 into 17.50. So 2 zeros. 6 5s are 30, remaining 3. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 3, 45. 1 6 are 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Last 2 decimals. So 1550 rupees. So therefore, cost of painting square meter is equal to 1050 rupees. Question number 6. Find the area of the unshaded region. Here we can see triangle ABD is shaded and triangle ABC is unshaded. So you have to find the area of the unshaded region. So now let us go with triangle ABD. Okay. So now here AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Hence it is a right angle triangle. Okay, now 12 square plus 16 square. So 12 into 12, 144 and 16 into 16. 6 6 are 36, remaining 3, 6, 9, 6, 1. 256. Okay, 256 plus 144 is equal to 400. So AB square is equal to 400. Therefore, AB is equal to root of 400 is equal to 20. Okay, so AB is equal to 20. Now hence it is a right angle triangle. Area of a triangle ABD. Area of a triangle ABD is equal to half BH. So 1 by 2. Base 12 and 16. So base into height. 2 1s are 2 8s are. So 12 into 8. 3 2s are 16. 1 8s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. So area of a triangle equal to 96 square centimeter. Okay, now let us find the area of a triangle ABC. So triangle ABC, here the sides are A is equal to AB is equal to 20 and BC is equal to 42 and AC is equal to 34. So take A as 42, B is equal to 34 and C is equal to 20. So find the value of S. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So 42 plus 34 plus 20 divided by 2. Okay, 4 plus 2, 6, 5 plus 4, 9, 96 by 2. So therefore S is equal to 4 2s are 8, remaining 1, 8 2s are 16. So S is equal to 48. Area of a triangle ABC. ABC using Heron's formula, square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is equal to 48, S minus A 48 minus 42, 48 minus 42, 6. And 48 minus B, that is 34. 48 minus 34, 4, 14. And S minus C. So 48 minus 20, 28. 6 8s are 48. 3 into 2, 6. And 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16, 16 into 3, 48. Here then 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14 and 7 4s are 28, 7 into 2 into 2. Okay, now 3 into 2, 2 into 7 into 2. So 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 into 14. So 24 into 14, 4 4s are 16, remaining 1, 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 9, 1 4s are 4, 1 2s are 2. So 6, 13, 1, 336. So therefore area of a triangle ABC is equal to 336 square centimeter. We are asked to find the area of the unshaded region. So area of unshaded region, to find area of unshaded region, subtract triangle ABC minus triangle ABD. Unshaded minus shaded. Okay. So for triangle ABC, we get 336 square centimeter minus triangle ABD, that's 96 square centimeter. You know, 336 minus 96, 0. So 4, 240. So therefore, the area of the unshaded region is 240. 40 square centimeter. Question number 7. Find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD whose sides are AB is equal to 13 and BC is equal to 12 centimeter and CD is equal to 9 centimeter. AD is equal to 14 centimeter and the diagonals BD is equal to 15 centimeter. Here the area, find the area of the quadrilateral. Now let us take the triangle ABD. The triangle ABD. So take the sides as A is equal to 15 and B is equal to 14 and C is equal to 13. So to find S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So A 15 plus B 14 plus C 13 divided by 2. So 39, 40, 41, 42. 42 divided by 2. So therefore S is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. So S is equal to 21. Find the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle ABD. So now S minus A is equal to, that is 21 minus 15. S minus A 21 minus 15. Okay. S minus B 21 minus 14. S minus C 21 minus 13 is equal to 8. So yes, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So yes, 21, S minus A 6, S minus B 7, S minus C 8 is equal to 21, 7 into 3 into 3 2s are 6 into 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. You know, 7 into 3 into 2 into 2. 7 3s are 21, 21 into 2, which 21 into 4. So 1 4s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So area of a triangle ABD is equal to 84 square centimeter. And now let us find the triangle, area of a triangle BCD. Now let us find the area of a triangle BCD. So the sides are A is equal to 15, B is equal to 12 and C is equal to 9. So 15, B is equal to 12 and C is equal to 9. So S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So A 15 plus B 12 plus 9 divided by 2. So 37, 20, 27 plus 9, 36 divided by 2. So therefore S is equal to 18. Now S minus A is equal to 18 minus 15 is equal to 3 and S minus B 18 minus 12 is equal to 6. S minus C 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. And to find the area of a triangle BCD using Heron's formula, so square root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c is equal to s 18, s minus a 3 and s minus b 6, s minus c 9. 9 2s are 18, so 3 into 3 9, 9 into 2 18, into 3 into 3 2s are 6, into 3 into 3. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 2. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 2 54. So here find the area of a quadrilateral whose sides are. So area of the quadrilateral adding both the triangles. So area of a triangle, area of quadrilateral okay. So triangle adding the triangle ABD plus triangle BCD. So ABD is equal to 84 centimeter square plus BCD is equal to 54. You now add both the triangles. So 4 plus 4 8, 13. So 138 centimeter square. So area of a quadrilateral is equal to 138 centimeter square. Question number 8. A path is in the shape of a quadrilateral. The sides of the path are 15 meter, 20 meter, 26 meter and 17 meter. And the angle between the first two sides, that is AB and BC, the first two sides is a right angle. Find the area of the path. So now let us consider triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, hence it is a right angle triangle. We have to find the third side. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is equal to 15 square plus BC is equal to 20 square. So 15 into 15, 225 plus 20 into 20, 400. 400 plus 225, 625. AC square is equal to 625. Therefore, AC is equal to 25. So it is a right angle triangle. So area of a triangle ABC is equal to half BH. So 1 by 2 of B 15 and H is equal to 20. So 2 ones are 2 tens are 15 into 10 is equal to 150 meter square. So AC is equal to 25. So the third side is 25 centimeter. Now let us take the triangle ACD. Triangle ACD is equal to A is equal to 25, A is equal to 26, B is equal to 25 and C is equal to 17. Okay, now to find S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So A 26 plus B 25 plus 17 divided by 2. So 25, 26, 25 and 17. So 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 1, 4, 5, 6, 68. 68 divided by 2 is equal to 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. So therefore S is equal to equal to 34. So now using Theorem's formula, let us find the area of a triangle ACD. Area of a triangle ACD is equal to square root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So s is equal to 34. So 34 minus a. So s minus a, 34 minus 26. Okay, now 8 and s minus b, 34 minus 25 is equal to 9, and s minus c, 34 minus 17. It's again 17. Okay, now s minus a is equal to 8, s minus b 9, and s minus c 17. 17 into 2, 34. 17 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 into 3 and 17. 17. Okay. So 17 into 2 into 2 into 3. 17 2s are 34. 34 into 2, 68. 68 into 3. 8 3s are 24, remaining 2. 6 3s are 18, 19, 20. So 204. 204 square centimeter. So the area of a triangle ACD is equal to 204 square centimeter. So we are asked to find a path is in the shape of a quadrilateral. So it is a quadrilateral. Area of a quadrilateral. ABCD. Area of a quadrilateral ABCD. So first add ABC, area of a triangle ABC plus ACD. So ABC, triangle ABC plus triangle ACD, area of a triangle ACD. So for ABC, area of a triangle ABC, we got 150 meters square plus triangle ACD 204 meters square. Okay, 204 plus 150, 4, 5, 3, 354 meters square. So area of a quadrilateral is equal to 354 meters square. Question number 9. A land is in the shape of rhombus. The perimeter of the land is 160 meter and one of the diagonal is 48 meter. Find the area of the land. So diagonal AC is equal to 48 meter. So the perimeter of the land is 160 meter. So perimeter of the land. So hence it is rhombus 4 into side is equal to 160 meter. So S is equal to 160 divided by 4. So therefore side is equal to 4 ones are 4, 4s are 16, 0. So side of rhombus is 40. So AB is equal to 40. Then BC is also 40. So CD is also 40 and AD is equal to 40. So now, let us find the triangle, area of a triangle ABC. Area of a triangle ABC is equal to, A is equal to 48, B is equal to 40 and C is equal to 40. So find S. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So A 48 plus 40 plus 40 divided by 2. Eight 128 divided by 2. So therefore S is equal to 2 ones are 2, 6 are 2, 4s are. S is equal to 64. S minus A is equal to 64 minus 48. S minus B 64 minus 40 and S minus C 64 minus 40. Okay. So 64 minus 48. Okay, now 6, 16. 64 minus 40, 24. And S minus C is also 24. Now area of a triangle. Area of a triangle ABC is equal to square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is equal to 64. S minus A 16, S minus B 24, S minus C 24. So here 64, the root value of 64 is 8. So 8 into 16. 4 4s are 16. So even 8 into 4 4s are 16. And then 24, 6 into 3 2s are 6, into 2 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, and again 24. Otherwise, here we have 224, so root of 16 and root of 64. So 8 into 4 into 224, we can take 124. Okay, 8 4s are 32. 32 into 24. So 32 into 24. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 8, 6, 7. 768. So area of a triangle ABC is equal to 768 square meter. And here you can see the area of a triangle ACD with same side 40 meter and 40 meter, diagonal 48. For triangle ABC also two sides 40 and diagonal is 48. So from that, therefore triangle ACD is also 768 square meter. And now to find the area of the land. Area of the land is equal to area of a triangle ABC plus triangle ACD. Okay. Now area of a triangle ABC is equal to 768 plus 768. Okay. 768 plus 768. So it is 1536 square meter. So therefore the area of the land is equal to 1536 square meter. Question number 10. The adjacent side of a parallelogram measures 34 meter, 20 meter and the measures of the diagonal is 42 meter. Find the area of the parallelogram. and the measures of the diagonal is 42. So the property of parallelogram is opposite sides are equal. So 34 and 20. Okay, find the area of the parallelogram. So first of all, I am going to take triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. So A is equal to 34 and B is equal to 42 and C is equal to 20 meter. So find S, A plus B plus C divided by 2. So 34 plus 42 plus 20. 76 plus 20, 96 divided by 2. So 40, 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. S is equal to 48. So now S minus A is equal to, so 48 minus 34, 14 and S minus B is equal to 48 minus 42 is equal to 6. S minus C 48 minus 20, 28. Okay, now let us find the area of a triangle ABC using Heron's formula. So S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S 48, S minus A 14, S minus B 6, S minus C 28. Okay, 6 8s are 48, 3 into 2 6, 8s are 2 into 2 into 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 into 2 48 and 2 into 7, 3 into 2, 7 4s are 2 into 7. Okay. So 2 into 7, 3 into 2 into 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 into 2, 48, 48 into 7. 8 7s are 56, remaining 5, 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So 326 square meter. So area of a triangle ABC is equal to 326 square meter. And here you can see ABC is same, adjacent sides are equal. So triangle ACD is also, therefore triangle ACD is also 326 square meter. Okay. Now we are asked to find the area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram. ABCD. Okay. And triangle ABC plus triangle ACD. Area of a triangle ABC plus area of a triangle ACD. 326 plus 326 is equal to 12,145 652 square meter. So therefore area of a parallelogram of ABCD is equal to 652 square meter. And students, we have come to the end of the session. Practice all the sums. Thank you.